cops and shit. Y'all see it? I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. I could've went. I can't even click, bro. I can't even do the little click thing.
You do what you do.
You're welcome. She ain't doing nothing, that little B6, that little heavy ass B6. Shawty Asian, what? Hey, so it's boy Willie TV and me back another video today, man. Today, trying Uber Eats in my sports car, bro. That's the new series. We are in a 2014 Camaro RS. It is the V6. We get about 22 miles to the gallon. We got about a quarter of a tank. So we're gonna go put some gas in that motherfucker, man, and head down to Atlanta and see what we can do. See if we can Uber Eats a little bit, man. So let's see what we get home by the end of the day. I might do like 3-4 hours. I ain't gonna do too much. And let's see, man. So yeah, I got my GoPro right here, so we have different angle type shit. Let's slide to the gas station. Wait a second. I guess something. This is second POV, man. I think it's a fire ass angle, I'm not gonna lie. And it's more like this video gonna be more like just chill with me while we Uber eating. My new bitch look like Halle Berry. But I don't love her, she too scary. Alright y'all, so we're gonna slide a quick trip, racetrack. No, it's racetrack, raceway. Racetrack? We're gonna slide to my racetrack, put some gas in that bitch, we're gonna head downtown Atlanta and start Uber Eats up. We got down, tap in cops and shit. Y'all see them? Yeah, I get it all when we get to the gas station. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. Can't even picture my life without my girl. Man, y'all better go. I'll be down. I could've went. Uh-oh. Lock the door. Oh, it's the water boys. Alright, y'all, so we done made it to a racetrack. Racetrack. Alright, and I think I wanna go in here first and see they got some seafoam or some oil treatment. I wanna put some in there if I put some gas in my shit. And we're gonna go in there and see. If not, we're gonna come out here and pump some gas. So yeah. So right there. I'm using Lucas, so we're gonna grab this. So I see you got that fuel system cleaner my joint. So we're gonna got down with this. Put it in here like that. And then put your gas in there and call it a day. We're gonna get y'all back in the car. Y'all see this? Somebody spent $96 for 22 gallons, bro. Insane. Y'all, this ghetto as hell. This ain't even got the little click thing on it. I can't even click, bro. I can't even do the little click thing. Alright, y'all, so we got our first order. Man. So we got a Chick-fil-A order. I never actually see. We got a Chick-fil-A order, Chick-fil-A 2 minutes up the street. We gotta take it, I don't know, it says it's supposed to be like 20 minutes total. And the total like $5.85. The first one was like $7. I was like, nah, I should have took that bit though. Hell yeah. But they were like $5.85, but we gotta go Chick-fil-A up the street and take it down the street. So we're gonna slide Chick-fil-A and shit. And we're gonna try to record that whole interaction and shit. I'm gonna have to go inside, so we're gonna slide the phone cameras to go inside and shit and get that whole little sequence. So nobody like you do what you do. I can't drive fast. The objective here is to not waste your gas. So I'm gonna be slow creeping and sneaking and freaking. It's the time of the weekend. Mama rolling that body, everybody just stay wishing. Should I slide right here, huh? Nah, we gonna slide right here. Let's see, they turning. Chevy out there, bit for real. Chick-fil-A out here. Ain't have to cross no street, bro. We in that Chick-fil-A motherfucker, man. Can I go inside? Okay, I see they got some inside spots. Oh, I'm finna slide right here, my boy. Where my handicap at? Slide right here in my handicap and go inside. They done blocked that Mustang off. Oh, you come on, white lady. You're welcome. Like, this black man's gonna hit me. Watch you slide in the parking spot there. They got the whip. Oh my gosh. Look, that white man's gonna be crazy. Alright, let's go in there, folks. It started raining, y'all. We're gonna hold it down, though. Alright, y'all, so I got the food. Got the food, Mary Kate, man. We finna slide to Mary Kate house, man. Mary Kate plus 8. Y'all don't know about that, man. Might be a little too young. But yeah, Mary Kate, man. We're gonna drop your food off, man. We got you.
Keep left onto I-75 south.
What he said? Girl, you be getting right through. Oh shit.
In 2 miles, take right
I lost traction again. I just lost traction twice, bro. I didn't know the V6 had that much torque. tell me that ain't that stank, boy. I'm not a little church right here. Oh, let's always stop. Nope, so I gotta make sure I look. Gotta keep that thing on you, man. 1024 right here. 1024. Niggas on dirt bikes. Niggas on dirt bikes. Niggas on four-wheelers. Hit that bit. Hit that bit, twin! Tell y'all, Atlanta, anything possible in Atlanta, man. Anyway, they're gonna have to grab this shit. Hoodie. I just complete that order, man. We in the hood, so you finna skedaddle. And we finna go offline. I'm going home. I'm going home. Oh, I could be alone. I guess we can do a little POV shit, damn. Alright, y'all, so let's start off as we're gonna try Uber Eats in the sports car too. Yeah, you know what? We're just gonna do a POV. We're gonna head back to the crib. And since it's a POV, y'all don't want to see me drive, so I guess I'll put it in manual mode, you know what I'm saying? I'll put it in manual mode, get a little more interactive, you know what I'm saying? I might do a little pull though. All I got is muffler on this bit. That bitch sound good though. It sound good for a little V6. I'm telling you, man, that bitch sound good for a little V6. That's all it is. The little V6 that could. You know what I'm saying? That's all it is. That's all I need. That's all I wanted. I bet y'all like, why you didn't get the V8? Why you didn't get the SS? Well, I got the RS. You know what I'm saying? Which means recently slower than the SS, which is super speed. You know what I'm saying? Reason why I didn't get the SS. I didn't want to spend that V8 money, bro. I'm sorry. Like, I understand miles per gallon. I understand speed is key, but for me, I ain't need all that. You gonna get over? Alright, these V6 is 323 horses. Yeah, to the crank, but like, that's more than enough power out here on these streets. You don't need nothing more. You know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and maneuver. Had to go ahead and maneuver real quick. But anyway, Anyway though, V6 is more than enough power. It got more little ain't on it, little stank on it. It got more. The V6 Camaro got a lot more stank to it than y'all would think. Unlike this V6 Charger, this heavy ass V6 Charger pulling up next to me. Oh, it's a female. Excuse me. Let me stop. This color clean though. I don't know if y'all can see it. This color clean as hell. Let me see. Y'all can see it. This color clean as hell, y'all. But anyway though, but yeah, man. So I was, you know what I'm saying? It get 20. Right now I'm averaging 22 miles to the gallon. In a V8, you're gonna be averaging like 14, 15. You know what I'm saying? And like I only got put 87 in this bit V8. I think you recommended to put like 91. But gas stations don't got no damn 91. Y'all know gas stations only got 87, 89, and damn 93, bro. It did that on purpose, bro. Cause why the hell do most cars, no car, what car you know recommend 89 gas? Zero. The mid has always been 91. They either be like 87, 91, or 93. They really don't even be like 93, they be like 91. But the problem is gas stations don't use 91. So it'd be 93. They do have to get the prices up and shit. Anyway, yeah man, I got the RS and I got the full package joint, man. We talking leather seats, man. I got a heads up display, I can't even see that. And then the damn she kinda slide in that motherfucker, ain't it? I missed my opportunity. Shorty was sliding that bit though. Why you looking at me like that? I don't like the way Shorty just slid like that. Shorty just slid and got up out of there. One thing about this V6 though, you gotta find where the power band is. You know what I'm saying? the power, you know how much, you know V8s, man, the power band be in there like 3, 4, 5,000 range. But in V6s, bro, the power range don't be all the way, it don't be right there. I feel like the power band be like, I don't know what, I feel like the power band be like in the mid range. I may be in the high range. I don't really rev my shit out all the way type shit, cause you know what I'm saying, I like to take care of my car and shit. But hey, we make it back to the crib. Ain't really much to talk about. I'm just singing my little songs.
She want me to leave her.
I saw this sliding right now. Y'all, let me type in, bro. I don't lie. Shorty dead ass sliding right now. I can't take that disrespect. I cannot take that disrespect. I don't lie. Shorty just slid on me like that. She ain't trying to ride though, for real. She ain't trying to ride. That little B said doing a little something, not gonna lie. She's trying to skate in that little V6 motherfucker, boy. She ain't doing nothing that little V6, that little heavy ass V6, boy, I'm telling you. She ain't doing nothing that little heavy ass V6. It's Atlanta hood story, ain't it? Atlanta hood love story. Cause she in Clayco. Shorty from Clayco. Wait a sec. I got some niggas in Clayco. I hop out that motherfucking what? She's missing a little muffler leak. She might got one. They got a little, I don't see mufflers back there. Oh, a twin though. It's another orange one. Oh, it's a nigga. I was say it's a female too. Nah. That's a hood love story right there. Imagine pulling up on the highway, you in your bright orange Charger V6 rolling. You a shorty. You look your. This thing got a little stank to it now. Don't sleep on it, got a little stank to it. But anyway, you pull up in a nigga in a Challenger. Challenger orange, burnt booty orange. Pulling up, y'all chilling on the highway type shit. We not really sliding for real, but like, she cool, like, she ain't really sliding for real, but she cool though. She want me to leave her. You know what I'm saying? We just rolling. I'm trying to get back to the crib, she's trying to get back to the crib, we just rolling type shit. Let's see what she do though. She got a little street etiquette. Let's see if she made it cut though. I got you. I ain't gonna hit you now. She gonna make this? Oh, she got a little muffler in her shit. I heard it. Oh, she got it. Come on now. Let me slide through now. Y'all, she not working with now. I see this truck not gonna let me get through this motherfucker shit. Man, I'm here with it now. Look at her. She got a little muffler in that bitch. I know y'all hear that bit. You know what I'm saying? We just. Let me tell y'all something, man. Y'all out here be dangerously sliding, bro. No, bro, you gotta do some caution. Like, yeah, the dangerous sliding might get you more views, man, but like, nah, man. I gotta be careful, bro. What you about to do, Shop? What you about to do, Shop? You coming over here, Shop? She fine with it. Which way you going, Shop? Alright, that Shop. Nah, that's cool, bro. She got a little muffly now. Y'all can't hear it, but I can. I can't hear it, but I can. Let's see what Shawty talking about. Shawty Asian, what? Shawty is Asian, bro. Shawty's Asian as hell. And she know it. She fine, she know it.